Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have Riley.
Hi, I do have a YouTube channel, so it's Riley A. Witt, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, make sure you go check it out.
Yeah, check it out, and it's really cool. Today we're going to be showing some slimes. So.
Yeah. First up, we have is
Wait, show them first.
our unicorn slime. It was like kind of rainbow color, but I've been playing with it. And
Okay,
mixing
show
it.
them, and I'll be right back because I need to go to the restroom.
Don't trip over
This
my
is the
foot.
weirdest thing I ever said in front of a camera, but I gotta go to the restroom. So I'll see you guys like in 40 seconds.
Okay, so mine is pretty like jiggly and stuff. She has two other slimes that she's gonna show you, but this is wow, that just fell. But this is mine. It's unicorn. It said on the bag unicorn poop because like when it falls, I can say something like that or whatever. But these are one of hers two slimes. Those are hers, but she's gonna show you in the upcoming video. I mean, upcoming minutes, whatever. But anyway, as you see, it just came back from dinner, whatever. And now, so it's purple. It feels good. It's not really like
Can I feel?
stretchy or anything. It's kind of like liquidy or something like that. You know?
Slime.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so I'll show you guys mine. I got at the mall.
Ew.
Okay, so me and her will be playing with mine. First, I got this. It was like pink, yellow, orange, light pink and stuff, and then I mixed it up. So this is a big slime. You can see it's a cupcake, and it is rainbow, crayon stacklet, something like that, mud. And so we're gonna open it.
Mud.
I already opened it earlier. It says mud.
No.
M-U-D. We're washing hands in that.
Oh, here's a piece.
Okay, so you ready to play with the slime? It's actually really good. I know a lot about slime, guys, if you're wondering.
I need to get my slime in here.
I like to pop it too.
Sorry, guys. I'm just trying
make
to.
a bubble. Make a bubble.
Just trying to get mine in there.
Oh. Okay.
So that is.
Oh my gosh. Come on.
She's getting so upset.
What? Sometimes I get mad at slime. It doesn't do what I want it to do. It's really good. And
Here, I'm
it's
gonna
like
set my slime right here.
And if you want to see,
Oh,
it
yeah.
is like this galaxy orangish, shiny-ish, thingish.
like, why are you putting it on the camera?
I'm not. It's not on the camera. Oh. Don't blame me when I poke my slime, because I'm a slime master.
Oh, my
I'm
unicorn
a slime.
Oh, you don't get that right here.
queen. I got slime master queen.
Wow.
For real, I make a lots of slimes. I may show you guys in my next video. My video are like one of her videos. You know I talk a lot in videos, like right now.
Duh, because we have to like talk about the slime because I have a lot.
You know that it's videoing.
What? Okay, anyways.
Come on.
In my previous Q&A video, I know that the music got louder and y'all couldn't hear me anymore. And yeah, it was pretty confusing. And you guys got pretty mad at me, probably, that you couldn't hear me anymore because by that time when the music came up, it like got louder and louder, and then y'all didn't hear what my favorite animal was, and it was my favorite sea animal was a dolphin. So I just wanted to tell you that because everybody was saying that well, all my friends that had my YouTube channel were saying what was my favorite animal, sea animal.
I remember when we did that video, the noodles. Remember that?
Yeah.
Second one is this clear slime with this cupcake inside. Well, I'm gonna be opening it. I didn't really play with it, but first I'm gonna show you the cool stuff. So it's like glittery with a little thing inside. You can see my fingerprint too. See that? Oh my goodness, this is so good. Okay, you guys ready for... Oh my gosh, I'm not liking this.
Why?
I don't like ruining my clear slimes.
Are you serious? This big chunk just flew at my eye.
OMG, I'm not liking this.
If you guys saw that, like rewind the video and watch that again.
Wait, not yet, wait. Okay, so here's a little toy and it's a little donut. Hey,
Look at this. It looks weird. Stop it. I mean, it feels weird.
And this is it. Although,
That was just random. Like it just flew out of
oh,
nowhere.
and then it has these little bead things in there, shiny things. Let me mix it up first, okay?
Can I see this?
You guys,
Okay, guys, I'm advertising right now, so. Whoosh, whoosh.
okay, so
Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
what's wrong with you?
Nothing. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little Japanese toy.
It is a Japanese toy. See this chopsticks? And then there's a strawberry and a heart and whatever.
Yeah. Chopsticks.
This is so cute. Like, those.
Ooh, how about you like squish it down in the front? Yeah.
Cupcake slime.
Hey guys. Okay, guys. So.
Oh.
Put,
Glittery thing.
don't
They can't even want to see that anyway. They don't want to see it.
Yeah, they don't.
Okay, so.
Okay, I'm closing out my video, and I hope you like, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. And I'm starting to post, I think like once a week or something, because I haven't been posting for a long time now, because there really has been nothing to do. But make sure you hit like and subscribe, and yeah, make sure you hit that notification.
And make sure you come and follow my channel too. And just telling you guys one more time, it is Riley A. Witt. So yeah. So
Do you have an outro? Do you have an outro?
outro? What's that?
Outro, like, you know, where you be like, bye.
Oh yeah. Okay. 1, 2.